Welcome back, everyone. As we were talking about Vasavi's candidature for the Naperville City Council with some guests in our studio who have questions for Vasavi. And let's introduce our first guest, Ms. Neelam Sabu. Neelam, thank you very much for coming to our studio. What is that one question that you have for Vasavi Chakka?
Thank you for giving me this time. Vasavi, I have a question, and it's not only my question, my friend's question also for you. As a resident of Naperville City, what is more important for you right now? Is that building new homes, commercial space, or you're planning to use the same existing homes and storefront in a better way? Okay. Very good question, Neelam. For a purposeful, prosperous Naperville, all the above are needed in a better, balanced way. Yes, building new homes, commercial space, rehabilitating the expanding existing homes, and storefronts are very important. And we need to make sure the development is sensible and also responsible to meet everybody's needs in the community. Thank you.
Our next guest is Ali Dhanraj, and she is also the resident of City of Naperville. Ali, thank you very much for giving your time and coming to our show. What is your question to Vasavi?
Thank you for this opportunity to ask the question to Vasavi. And Vasavi, the question to Neelam's answer was very good. I like the answer, but the question to me, follow-up question is, I agree, we need all of these in a balanced way, the houses and the commercial storefront and all these. But because of the pandemic and the 2008 recession, many of these storefronts are now empty. What are your plans to set this right?
This is a very important issue for me, Ali. Thanks for bringing this to everybody's attention who is listening. Naperville needs leadership which promotes transparency in governance. My plan is to attract more businesses to Naperville, and I will safeguard the small businesses by protecting them from unwanted taxes and regulations. About the empty spaces, when we have the new businesses in the community, they all will be occupied. And the economy is coming back, and the COVID is soon will be put behind us, and the economy will be booming. We should all unite to make our great city of Naperville the Silicon Valley of Midwest.
Thank you, Vasavi, for that answer. That was a good answer. I hope the plan works out, because I am a resident of Naperville looking for a betterment of Naperville. By the way, good luck on your election, and we hope you become our Naperville City Council, because we are hoping for the best for our city.
Thank you, Ali. And I can't do this alone. I need all your support. So don't forget to vote on April 6th. Vasavi Chakka, number 3 on the ballot. Please go and vote. Thank you.
Victory for Vasavi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next guest that we have in our studio is Mr. Nilab Dubey. He is also a resident of City of Naperville in the subdivision which is called Ivy Ridge. Nilab, thank you very much for speaking with us. And what is that one question that you have for Vasavi in her run for the City Council of Naperville?
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, though you're running out of time. Vasavi, you're the front runner for these elections. When you win these elections, what is that difference that will bring to the Naperville city and to the council?
I am very passionate about public service, Neelab. When we moved here 16 years ago, Mayor Prado, he was known as Mayor of America, and he inspired each and everyone from child to the senior citizen. So when I met him first time in 2005, he inspired me to get engaged in the civic engagement. Since then until today,
I am inspired by his leadership style. So I will bring that back to the community. I would be known as people's leader, and I will always put people first. And when people elect you to a certain position, the vote means their trust. You never should betray their trust. You always are there in that position for the people to promote their needs, keep the city safe and prosperous and growing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neelab.
Thank you.
Yeah, and again, Neelab, I cannot do this alone. You all need to come out and vote, and also tell your friends, each one reach 10, and that's where we can win this election. Thank you. V for Vasavi, please vote for me. I'm number 3 on the ballot. Thank you.
So as you all know that Vasavi Chakka brings the leadership that Naperville needs today, and that is the need of the hour, that we bring leaders like her forward who can bring community welfare, community service, taking our community together, involving the community, making them participate in the decision-making process. And as you heard in the question-answer sessions, that she has a very clean, very clear plan for the community welfare. All I have to say is go out there, make sure you inform your friends and family, take your family and friends as well. Make sure you go out there and vote for Vasavi Chakka for Naperville City Council, number 3 on the ballot. Go Vasavi! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching Anna TV, and we will see you next time in our next segment. Thank you.